Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you two indicators. The first one is momentum and the second is Fibonacci retracements. So let's get started. As you can see here, these both of these indicators are of use, but Fibonacci retracement is the most required in drawing the in determining the pullbacks, where the initial pullback would occur and where to what and how far will the pullback be. The Fibonacci retracement is used for that purpose. Now the purpose of momentum is to show you the price actions of where the prices are heading. Now let's say if a small change occurs in these areas, like it's a bearish candlesticks, a small bearish candlestick, and if the candlestick is small, a small bearish candlestick, and the price is and this area decreases like to a greater extent, then it means that the prices of the stock on the next trading day would decrease, and vice versa. Other than that, this shows the same pattern. As you can see here, the prices, it fell below at this level and then the prices traded constantly like this. So it, although it shows the same thing, the same prices, but as you can see here, the price is dropped here, but again with a small change, it it gained strength and traded in a, well, now you can see here, this was a great area because it's a strong bullish candlestick, but again with the bearish candlestick, as you can see here, a bearish candlestick, the price is decreased. So a small change here, a small change and a small change in these areas, and um, a great change in this area shows the price action for the next day. Now let us use Fibonacci retracements. Fibonacci retracements are over here. Now if you want to know where the initial pullback would occur, plot it here to the high of over here at this level over here. Now you can see here the initial pullback occurred to, what's this, what is this, 38 level. So 38% is the initial pullback of this. So you can determine these lines of where the initial pullback would occur. One is 38, 50 and 67. 67 or something like that. 61, 61, sorry. Yeah. So these three should be considered the most, like whenever the pullback occurs, it comes to these three lines, one of these three areas. So from these areas you can enter a position, long your position and trade according to the trend. Now let's say if it's a downtrend, so now what? Sorry, wait a minute. Let me pull it over here. Let me plot it again. Again the same method, plot at the high over here, bring it till this level here. Now now you can see I can bring it over here, and I can plot it over here, but just to show you guys, to give you a clear idea of where the pullback would occur. Now you can see this is a downtrend, the prices are coming in a downward direction. So just to show you guys, you can see that at this area the prices came down and suddenly it went back up, as you can see here, and it struck the 38 level. Again it will touch, but don't know how the we will know about the next trading day of how the prices would do, how it will react to this, what what results would it give to us. We will learn this in the next video. Sorry, on the next trading day. Now let's say over here, again the same thing, it touched the 38 level line and starts to drop. So these are the methods you can use. So this is a great tool. The Fibonacci retracement is a great tool to use in the stock market, because it clearly shows you of where the pullbacks would occur. Now let's say if the downtrend or the uptrend crosses all of the lines and went up, so it will be either a bullish or bearish. That's another case. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.